Just come out for a small Christmas run. Beautiful day, and just some time outside, then go home, sit in front of a fire, some rice porridge, and play some cards probably. Just relax. Just remembered actually, just been told actually that, which way do I go? Goes this way. So just been told actually that a bit of a tradition of ours actually, we go out for a Christmas run. Well, any occasion really. Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. All the days where everybody else is busy panicking and stressing out over things. It's nice to get outside and just take some time for yourself, enjoy it, and you know, it's also quieter because everyone else is doing their panicking stuff, so yeah, just nice. But to be honest, any excuse is a good excuse to get outside and really beautiful morning. I think it's about -10 degrees and some clear skies, which is nice. So just taking some time to appreciate these trails. The great thing about Helsinki is that it's Central Park. It's like a forest that you would find in the wilderness in England. It's not like Central Park in New York or Frankfurt or something. It really is just like the wilderness. And it's a great resource for the city to have, that people can just step out from the city centre of the hustle and bustle of things to the forests and trails and the network of paths it's got for walking. It's just great. So just doing one little tempo loop on this loop in the forest. It's got a Strava segment. So I thought, after my injury, and well, it wasn't injury but just rest period, intentional rest period, and the strength building phase, now I'll just give it one little push. It's a 1.4 kilometer loop, just over, so just get some speed in the legs and have a bit of fun. Wow, after 5 weeks of no intensity, that was fun, but I could feel there's a little bit more effort than usually required. Still, good fun and good to push the engine a little bit more now. But one thing I can certainly feel that my legs are ready for it now, so that's good news. So after that little effort, just gonna make sure now that I just do like a little cool down, probably 1.5 kilometers, 2 kilometers, get home, do some stretches, and eat some good food. I think I got rice porridge, I got a big smoothie, bananas, blueberries, and some ginger, and dates I forgot, but right, so that's the run done. As you can see, the terrain today quite snowy. powdery snow, but there is still slippy parts underneath the ground as it's pretty cold. What shoes that I'm sure some people are probably wondering what shoes I'm wearing. So I'm wearing the Hoka One One Mafate Speed 2s. They're quite good, I quite like them. They've got quite a good low drop, well 5mm drop, really good 5mm lugs for grip, with a Vibram outsole which is like super sticky. I swear by that Vibram outsole. But yeah, the grip's good enough for in the snow. I don't need spikes. Spikes I guess is more so like on the pavement where it's like sheets of ice where they've cleared it, but like on this you don't really need it. The only thing that I don't really like about these, I've run about 160 kilometers in them so far, is that here on the tongue, on the right foot, for some reason for me, it's rubbing a little bit, so just trying to figure out what I need to do to change that. But otherwise they're great shoes. They've got a nice, good stack height, so good cushioning, amount of cushioning, and you know, so you don't really feel any roots or rocks underneath. There's no rock plate in it, but that cushioning makes up for it. All in all, I like them, but I prefer the Speedgoat 2s, but I think these are a little bit more, let's say, runnable if you're doing a lot of trail running where there's runnable sections, whereas a Speedgoat 2 might be more so for doing up and down and quite technical terrain. But yeah, I like these shoes.